like me, a person who wants to make some extra money, happens to have some art skills or not, scratch that, and just stumbled upon Redbubble, well, this is my journey of starting my own Redbubble shop as a digital artist. Let's go! I've never done this before, so I'm going to show you the entire process, setting up my shop, uploading my first designs, and sharing what I learned along the way. So I opened Redbubble and started creating an artist account. To open your shop publicly, they require you to upload at least 5 designs. I did that, but my shop didn't open right away. A bit frustrating, so I emailed Redbubble support, and after a day they finally activated it. Once it was open, I filled in all the required information, like your profile picture, banner, your bio, and even your payment information, so people can get to know you and your art. Now it's time to upload a design. I'm using this strawberry cupcake drawing I made. Redbubble makes it really easy. Let me show you. Here you can fill in the title, description, and tags manually, or even generate them using AI if you want. Just make sure to use good tags so people can actually find your designs. And here you can choose a background color for all the objects you want to sell, so you don't have to fill them out individually. Once uploaded, you can adjust the design, align it horizontally or vertically, make it bigger or smaller, whatever fits best on each product. And you can choose a default color for your design. For example, on this bucket hat, I chose this white one. Now, if you're wondering, what does the word enabled 11 out of 14 means? Well, it's just some hidden products you can check and uncheck, whether you would like to include them or not. So, I would recommend including these products because it would mean you'd have more designs and options for people to buy. But that's just me. Here you can choose the type of media you're uploading. I always choose design and illustration and digital art because that's what I'm always doing. At the bottom here, you can choose what type of products you want to display your item in your shop. Optimized means it'll just put what your product is popular as. Well, you can just choose stickers and it will just show up as stickers in your shop. Obviously, you can still buy different forms of this product. And then you can check whether your product includes mature content, and my products never do, so I put no, obviously. And finally, after you're done editing all your products, you can save your work and publish it. To be honest, I actually started my Redbubble account just a few days ago. I think 3 days ago, so I'm really figuring this out as I go, and I want to take you along my journey. But I've been working so hard that I've already uploaded over 42 designs. So here's my shop, and you can see lots of my designs on the front page. Unfortunately, I don't think you can pick out what designs you want to be on the front page, but here they are. And I've made a ton of designs, and I've worked really hard to try to create some relatable designs by looking up what's trending online, seeing cute things, and just looking at Redbubble in general. And you can choose what type of things you would like to buy by choosing the category on the left. Here I chose stickers. And then you can explore designs. Here are all the designs I've done until now. And any of these designs you can pick and just buy like single things from these designs separately. So that's what I've done until now. And here are my results. I earned $16, but that's kind of cheating because everyone who got things from me actually knows me in real life. But I appreciate the support. And my top selling design was Cinnamon Girl and the matcha sticker. And I've had 78 visitors to my site. These are real though, so Obviously, I appreciate everyone who's got something from me. Thank you. But I've had many people save my designs. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and like and tell me what you think about it.